presenting the 7 natural wonders of the world. Our first wonder is Victoria Falls. It is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. The largest waterfall in the world is based on its width and height. The Pericutans of Cinder Cone volcano. Mankind witnessed its birth. It is still active today. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. It reaches over 29,000 feet. The Grand Canyon is a massive gorge located in Arizona and was created by the Colorado River. The Aurora Borealis is known as the Northern Lights. This amazing light show can be seen north of the Arctic Circle in places like Alaska, northern Scandinavia, and Greenland. The harbor of Rio de Janeiro, located in Brazil, is the largest bay in the world. It is surrounded by unique formations like the magnificent Grand. Our last natural wonder is the Great Barrier Reef, which stretches 1,600 miles along the coast of Australia. The largest coral reef in the world can be visibly recognized from outer space. The reef includes over 900 islands and supports one of the most diverse ecosystems in the world.